guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. As you read by the title, this is going to be part 2 of my Mercari Amazon haul. Now, I will say I do have one more thing from Mercari. 2 more things. I have a pair of jeans and I have 3 body mist from Bath & Body Works. One is Mimosa Sunrise, I believe, and then there are 2 of the Champagne Toast body sprays. I love that smell and got a really good deal on them. So when those come in, I will throw them in whatever video I'm doing. But today, let's go ahead and go over what I've gotten in so far. So in that, we're going to start with Amazon. I only have 2 things. I have the XXL dog pads that I ordered and I paid $13.98 for them. I am going to put pictures up. Now this is the dog pad that came. This is their extra large dog pad. I believe I got 30 in there. I will continue to go with the ones that I get 3 towns away, which are this size. And I get them for 150 pads for $30. So I don't think that my buying dog pads on Amazon really saved me any money or a trip to a few towns away. But now I know, done and done. The next thing I got from Amazon were these neon eyeshadows for $13.98. They are loose pigments. They do glow in the dark, black light, that kind of thing. I got them for Halloween. They didn't come in on time, so I don't know when I will be using them, but I will be. I will say that the powder is so fine that you need to use a glitter glue to keep them adhered to your eye. But the colors are super, super pretty, super bright. So I can't wait to use those. And I paid $13.98 if I didn't say that already. Alright, the next things I'm going to be talking about are all from Mercari. So I got this pair of jeans. They are a size 7. I paid $14 for them and $5.99 for shipping and handling. They fit great. And then I got these boots. I paid $31 for them and $9.99 for shipping and handling. They are a size 7. Then I got, here are those jeans. So they're super cute. They are a 28-inch, which is a size 7. And they fit really well. They are long enough for me. I am rather long-legged. And then my boots, I have worn a couple of times to work. They are great. I've already got them muddy. It's rainy season here in Arkansas, so, but they are lined. They are thin-solated. I love them. Very good deal. Love the bottom. They're not heavy, so I was very happy to have found those. Then I got this Real Tree hoodie. It is camouflage with pink in the hood. It is a medium. And I got this in for $7 and $5.99 shipping and handling. Then I got this sweatshirt. Absolutely love it. And this one I paid $12 and it was free shipping. I think it's absolutely adorable. I have already worn it. I would say I would like it to be a little bit thicker, but I do wear undershirts in the fall, wintertime season, so it's still okay. And then I got this sweatshirt. It is also in a medium. Love the print on it. I wasn't at Woodstock, but I still love the shirt. I paid $11 and $5.99 shipping and handling. And it's a medium. It's very, very warm. And then the last thing I bought is this picture of this small makeup bundle. I paid $18 for all of this, $5.99 shipping and handling. I was looking for this palette. Now, when I sold a lot of my makeup, I had to get rid of this palette. This is the Hip Dot Zion palette. It's a very, very beautiful color story, and I wanted it back in my collection. Well, I found it with a couple of other items and went ahead and picked it up. There are a few things in this bundle that I've never tried, including this Flower Beauty Miracle Glow Satin Finishing Powder. So I will be testing that out. I haven't even opened it. Oh, and it's a pretty good size. It is oddly shaped. Oh, very, very cool. Comes with its own little poof. And then your powder, of course, is in there. So that's really neat. Very cool design. So I will definitely be trying that out. And then I got a Joa Selfie Ready Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. I've never tried anything by this company, so I'm super excited to try it. Then I got the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush. And this is in the color something, something. Let me put my glasses on. This is in the color Always Peachy. It looks almost like a bronzer, but it is a peach blush. That is what it looks like swatched. It's awfully orange colored, which is the peach. And there it is on my hand and all over my shirt. But there it is on my skin tone. I don't know if that will work for me or not. If not, I will be giving it to Samantha, since I already swatched it. The next thing I received was the Stellar Prismatic Highlighter Illuminator. And this is also from Flower Beauty. It is super, super pretty. It looks like a Christmas ornament. And there it is opened. I kind of don't want to swatch it. But we will. Oh, it's super soft. There's what it looks like. Oh, that's going to be a pretty, pretty highlighter. Okay. And then I got the ColourPop Pressed Powder Blush in Coast to Coast. Now, I don't have any ColourPop blushes. This will be my first one. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the imprint of the flower in it. So I can't wait to use that. And then it came with Delish Pressed Powder Blush from the Lizzie McGuire collection. And that is what it looks like. It also came with the Clinique High Impact Mascara. I have tried this before. I do like it. And then the Essence Lash Princess Curl Volume Mascara. So, that is what came in that makeup bundle. Let me know down below if you shop Mercari, what kind of good deals you get. What do you go on there and look for? Do you shop Amazon? What are some of the things that you look for on there then? And until next time, guys, be sure and leave me a comment. Do give the video a like. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring my bell. Hit it for all. And come back and see all the new things we're doing. And until next time, as always, stay beautiful. And remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says, I'm possible. I love y'all. I did forget to mention that on my eyes today, I am wearing the Natasha Denona Cranberry palette that I received in my friend mail from Bizybeautystore. Her link is always in my description box. I think it came out as a super, super pretty look. I am getting quite a collection of these, and I am loving all of the ones that I am receiving or purchasing. And quite a few of them I did purchase off of Mercari. So, just wanted to throw that in there. See y'all in the next one. Sorry guys, I'm forgetting everything. I also have a few things from Jeffree Star Cosmetics that I wanted to share with y'all. And totally forgot to put it in here. The first thing is the Proof Mascara. This is in the coral color. Now, I will be using this when I finally review my Pricked palette, which I have not even gotten into yet, but will be. So this is what she looks like. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful. And then that is the color. You will be able to see it more once I put it on my eyes, but I've wanted this since it was released, the orange collection. Oh my gosh, I'm totally here for it. The next thing I ordered was, he did have a Halloween sale, so I went ahead and picked up my second ever lip bundle, and this is in the Queen Bitch lip palette lip bundle. This goes with the Bloodlust palette. I'm Vulgar is like one of my absolute favorite colors. Ever since he released that, I have wanted it, and now I finally have it. This is my second lip bundle. I'm super excited about it. Then I picked up, finally, the Blood Sugar Mini. Now, I did not have this. I have been waiting to get it. It was on sale, and I finally got it. This does put me back to collecting, or having all of his palettes in my collection. We're going to go ahead and open it because, as you can see, I have not. I have only seen this online. So that is what it looks like on the outside. Another one with his face. Absolutely love it. Oh, such pretty colors. And then that is what she looks like on the inside. Super, super stunning. I can't wait to use her. Making sure I'm still recording. So, a couple of these colors. Oh. I believe all of these colors are in the Blood Sugar palette itself. I'll have to get back to you on that, but if I know my colors, and I believe that I do, there's only like 3 that I don't know about. So, either way, I didn't have it in my collection. It was a palette that he released, and now I do. So I'm excited to have it. And then the last thing I ordered was a travel bag, makeup bag. I got mine in the baby pink color. I wanted the orange one and could not find it. So this is the one that I settled for. I do have the marble makeup bag that came in the, what was it, spring boxes, and then the bat one that came in the holiday Halloween bags. So this is what she looks like. Very, very pretty. So much room. You have the zipper on top. You have the little pockets here, and you can fit, excuse me, you can fit quite a bit of stuff in there. So I'm super excited to have, oh my goodness, I just ate not long ago. Sorry guys. Super excited to have a bigger bag from him. Like I said, I did want the orange bag. Could not find it, so I settled for pink. And I'm ecstatic about that too. So I was very happy to get the things that I got. Was able to purchase the things that I got. So that is absolutely the end of it. My bad for leaving it out, but thank you for sticking around and checking it out anyway. Till next time.